Your tires are snitching on your car, and most of you guys are just ignoring it. Before your suspension fails, before your alignment destroys a set of tires, your tires already told you. You just didn't know how to read it. If you're into performance driving like we are, then your tires are like your car's data log. Before anything fails, before anything goes completely south, your tires might be telling a story. Grip, heat, alignment, suspension load, it all shows up in the tread, and you should know what to look for and what to worry about. So today we're breaking down what some of the most common tire issues mean and how they directly affect performance. Let's start with uneven wear because this is where performance and setup really show themselves. If the inside edge of your tire is wearing faster, that's usually a case of too much negative camber. And on a performance setup, some negative camber is usually intentional since you already know that it helps keep the contact patch during cornering. But if you're corded on the inside after a few thousand miles, that's not performance car stuff, that's just misaligned. On the flip side, if the center of the tire is wearing faster than the outside edges, it's simple. You're just overinflated. That means reducing your contact patch. Simple enough. Less rubber on the concrete equals less grip, period. And if both edges are wearing faster than the center, you're just underinflated. That causes heat buildup and can result in sidewall flex and vague steering response that nobody likes. For performance driving, tire pressure isn't just maintenance, it's tuning. A few PSI can completely change how the car rotates and communicates. And when you're running a properly engineered wheel setup, something lightweight, structurally sound, like let's say the KONIG Flowform Hyperspec, you're maximizing response, which is great. But if your alignment and pressure are off, you're leaving performance on the table, and that sucks. Like the guy wearing sandals every day with their dry, cracked heels, sidewall cracking is just no good. Even if the tread looks good, aged rubber hardens, and hardened rubber loses grip. You'll feel it with longer braking distances, reduced traction, and less predictable handling. Tires have a lifespan, and if you care about performance, age matters just as much as tread depth. So even before it becomes a safety issue, it becomes a performance issue. If your steering wheel vibrates at highway speeds, that's usually a balance issue. And in performance driving, balance equals precision. An unbalanced setup can dull steering feel and introduce sketchy instability at speed. It might be small, but when you're pushing the car, small inconsistencies matter. That's exactly why wheel quality matters. Tight manufacturing tolerances reduce the change of imbalance from the start. But even the best wheel and tire combo still needs proper mounting and balancing. Not everyone has experienced a sidewall bulge, but those that have were definitely in shock when they spotted it.
What the hell is even that?
Like Hasim Rahman's infamous lump courtesy of Evander Holyfield, a lump, sometimes very large, can form in a tire sidewall, and that's structural. A damaged sidewall under load is not something to put off. It's sort of those things that you want to replace immediately. When you're driving aggressively, cornering hard, braking late, you're loading the sidewall constantly, and a compromised sidewall under load is not something you want to gamble with. And finally, we come to the issue of inconsistent wear across all four tires. Performance cars rely on balance. If one corner of the car is wearing faster, your handling balance changes. That affects your turn-in, mid-corner stability, and braking feel. Not this kind of braking, but this kind of braking. Regular tire rotation keeps your setup predictable. And predictability is everything when you're driving hard. At the end of the day, tires are your only contact with the road. You can upgrade suspension, you can upgrade wheels, you can add more power, but if your tires aren't healthy, aligned, and properly maintained, you're not getting the performance you paid for. Pay attention to the wear, it's free feedback. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We've done plenty of videos on tire setups. If you want, check these out, and they'll give you some other direction that you may need. Thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next one.